For Coach Caloy Garcia, kabilang panig naman. It's Stanley Pringle, Bradwin Quinto, Jonathan Gray, Mo Tautua, and Nico Elorde for Coach Pido Harencio. Outside shot from James Yap. And this man, who my partner right now knows very, very well. But of course, Rain or Shine will try its best na hindi na siya makascore ulit. At tingnan natin, ha? James Yap, bata ni Coach Ryan.
Ako naman dalawang beses na. Hard worker whom you know that will deliver a double-double performance day in and day out. So talagang maganda itong pagkakataon para rito sa North Court na magpakitang
At nakaagaw pa si James Yap. Chance for Rain or Shine to stretch it once again. Oh, North Court 17 points. The tandem of Pringle and Bodick have 15 of those. Now James Yap, he's got three three-pointers for
three-pointer. So this guy is for real.
feeling it. Ito si James Carlos Yap, Escalante Negros Occidental. Sinabi kanina nga ng ating venue announcer. Paulo Taha is still leads still at 3 para sa North Court. Almazan kicks it out. They swing it over to the corner. James Yap steps out the three-point land. Gets another one. Apat na yan para kay James.
Oh, big game. James is on point. Inaangal ng Rain or Shine bench.
Tres naman ni James. Boom. James. There you go. One more time. Pag-uwi mo na. James Yap yan.
His ability to read the defense.
He has to just go back and try not to do it next time na ibaba yung kanyang balikan. Ito na ang Rain or Shine. Big game James looking to create. Hands in the air. Kinagawa. Masyado malakas ang play.
Sayang.
No? Ito sa ere. Here's a Borboran going to the batak. Ang batak hindi nakapatak halos. Now Borboran finally gets free inside. That was the play they wanted a while ago. But then this time he converted. But it's down to just 8. Na kay Borboran ang layo sa basket. Now with Bo. James Yap at tumanggap. Tumep back. Binato. James Yap, another 3-point back. Anin na niya.
That step back move.
Tumapit si James Yap kay Coach Ryan Gregorio.
Alam mo, sinabi, ha? Coach Ryan, nakita mo yun?
Sabi?
Parang akala natutulog ako eh.
Okay.
Kitang-kita ko yun eh.
Siyempre, tayo